Hello everyone, my name is Om Priyadarshi. I'm studying ninth standard of St. Francis School, Jasidi. I'm I'm making this video for a course of Google Calendar by Whizjunior. I'm making this video using Screencast-O-Matic software. It's a video editing and also a video making app or software. I made this on all these presentations using MS PowerPoint 2007 of by using this design, as you may see, and the fonts are different in each slides. So my hobbies are to read stories and gardening. I'm interested in subjects like I'm interested in subjects like maths, science, and computer. Now, what is my experience of learning on Whizjunior? I would like to say that Whizjunior is it's a great website for we kids or children who want to have a more vivid or clear knowledge of technologies and computer and etc. And Whizjunior, the thing or the feature I love about Whizjunior is that it's a large number of courses that are based on very important topics like cyber security or coding, decoding, etc. etc. There are hundreds of them, hundreds of courses. And what it focuses, like which junior has focuses on level wise. So first of all, we learn through videos. After that, we do some quizzes or tests. After that, we do practicals. Then we do an MCQ like a 25 question, 50 marks, and then we make one video like this, and then we upload it. Then they are verified by teachers or computers, etc. And then we get a certificate. That's amazing. That's an amazing feature of Vizunia. And what is the most loved feature is that it gives us daily rewards. There are many daily rewards which we get for completing different, like there are criteria for that, completing certifications, etc. And that encourages us to to labor more and more and more so that we can do something new the other day. So that's also amazing. Now, what I learned from this course, my course was on Google Calendar. So, at first, what I did was I watched videos, and those videos gave me a very clear and vast knowledge about calendars on Google. After that, I gave some quizzes or tests, like it was of three levels: first easy, then medium, then hard. That quizzes were for testing me whether I had learned something from those videos or not. After that, there was a time of practicals that I had to do some practicals and then upload it. So what those practicals were testing me whether that videos which I saw would be useful for me in my day-to-day life or not. So I had to do some like practicals in real life, then I had to upload them. So it was verified that it would be useful, or I could use it nicely in my real or day-to-day life. So that practicals were for the same reason. And then there was a 25 questions MCQ that was of 50 marks. After that, I am here making a video for a project. So in this video, we have to do some tasks related to Google Chrome related to Google Calendar. Sorry. So what is my first task? My first task is to open Google Calendar. So my first task is to open a Google Calendar. So I will type in the Google Chrome that Google Calendar. Google Calendar. It will give me. You can do this way, or the other way is that this, and you will click on this button, Google Apps, and you will get a drop down list, and you may click on this calendar option. Then it will take you to a page where calendar will be there. So I have opened Google Calendar. Now my second task is to create an event and fill up the details. For example, please remove this. Example, I will do from this date to this date. An event. I will add some title, or you may go to the mode options. I will do that. The same thing. And title. For example, demo meeting. Demo meeting. Then it has told to fill up all the fill up all the details. Okay, so it will be all day, it will not repeat. Yes, 22 April to 25 April. Event details, add location. Location would be like Lonavala. You may type in, let's type anything, you may type anything. I would type Lonavala. Yes, Lonavala. And no, not add conferencing, add notification one before add. Let's keep it like only, let's keep it from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. and then add notification, no other notification, I don't need any other notification. Just please show me free, like default visibility. Yes, no, only default visibility. Done. Wait for something. So now the other is the other task. See the notifications and send the invites to your friend. Okay, you have to see the notifications before at 2 a.m. Okay, let's keep it. And then we have to add a friend. Add a friend like one friend, a new friend, and everything is done now. Yes. Now we have added a friend. As simple as that. Now restoring a deleted event. Sorry, delete an event. First of all, we have to delete an event. Then, like for example, I will send this. I would like to send. Okay, so now let's delete this. Okay, delete. Would you like to send? Okay, please. Now it's deleting. The event has deleted. Now the other task is the after that restoring a deleted event. Now how to restore? When you will go to the settings menu, you will see on the second bin. On bin, and you will click on that. You will get all those which you have deleted, like this. Now I have deleted demo meeting. So when you will click on this and you will see restore demo meeting. When you will click on this event restore, now you may go back. Hasn't it come? Yes, see demo meeting. Now the deleted event has been restored again. Now from settings, we have to do this from settings using our settings. Change the date and time format of the calendar. So first of all, go to the settings. Change the date and time format of the calendar. Date format, let's change it to like say date. Yes, this one. Date, month and year. Now change the time format. We'll change it from the AM PM to 24 hours format. After that we have to do set the events from Gmail automatically to on. Set the events from Gmail automatically to on. You will see events from Gmail. So it's now off. We have to click this and now it's on. Now our next task is to enable the world clock. Now how to enable the world clock? To the settings menu, settings. You will go to settings and then here you will go down. You will find one show world clock. So it was on. I may click it and you may change the which time zone you want to see of the time you want to see, like anyway I want to see of Australia time, Eastern Australia time, so I have saved. Now when you will go back here you will get QD time so after enabling the world clock and getting all the whatever you wanted. Please wait. So here it is the query time 9:42. That's the time there. Here it is. You can see from here. Now next task is to make a calendar. Create a new calendar with the following details. Name of the calendar should be project. Okay. So we have to make a calendar using the name project. So for that we'll go to the settings menu again. You may go, there are different ways to do this. For example, I will click here, add calendar, a drop down list will appear. Now you will click on create calendar. As instructed, I have to keep the name of it, project, like project. Then we will create it, calendar creation in progress. Now what is the next task? We have to make it public. Let's see, calendar creation progress. Create. Now configure. Let's configure this. Now the first task after this is to make it available to the public. So we'll click on it. Okay, now it's made available to the public. Our next task to do is to share it with one of your friends. So I will share it with one of my friends. Let's see from here, share with specific people. So we'll add people here, like here. Then we will send it and invite. Okay, invite. Let's do that. Don't have. Now, what is our next task is to add permission settings to see only free or busy. Let's do that. So we'll go to that settings, event notifications and all day other there are many. So here it is. See all event days. So here it is, the drop down list of permission, whatever you want to give them. So it as instructed to do. We have to make them see only free or busy. That will hide our details. So okay, invite. See only free and busy. We have done this. After that, it's color the label of the calendar. To do that, let's first save. It's completely saved. Color the label of the calendar. Color the label of this calendar. You may change it. The color can change from here. Whatever color you want to make. For example, you can add your custom color also. For example, from here, then you may choose from here and then save it. And now you may put like this color. You have made it calendar color. Now it's changed. The label is changed. So at last, I would like to thank Whizjunior for giving me this opportunity to make this video. And thank you all of you. Thank you and have a nice and cheerful day. Bye.